Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. In the first step, open settings and simply select system tab. On the right side, we need to just scroll down and find out troubleshoot, then simply click here to open it, then click on other troubleshooters. After that, again just scroll down and find out recording audio, simply click on run, and this will try to detect the problems, and also you can resolve your problem from here. So complete this process. This will take some time to complete the detecting problem process. Once done, we need to close this window. Again, go to search bar, type in control panel and click here to open it. Once we are here, select view by as small icons, and again scroll down and click on sound. It will open a new window. Once we are here, just right click on this white blank area and we need to check these two options. After that, select your recording audio speakers, and we need to check these levels. So maximize this, and from recording you need to minimize it. After that, close this window. Again, go to search bar, type in device manager. This type is very important, so just go to device manager, simply expand audio inputs and outputs, right click on the drivers, select update drivers, select the first option. So again click on update drivers. Now select the second one, click on this side, then select this one and click on next. So the update drivers are successfully installed. Once done, simply restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.